My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. In this episode, marketing differentiation and the importance of being remarkable. Clock is ticking. One of my all-time favorite business and marketing books is Purple Cow by Seth Godin. Seriously, that book changed my life. If you followed me for any length of time, then you know I used to listen to it avidly and voraciously, both to and from classes while taking marketing back in college. And the reality is, this one single book may have done more for me than my entire marketing degree. In fact, that's the power of one really good idea. And Purple Cow doesn't just have one good idea, it's packed with them. So really what it did is wash over my brain and altered the way that I see things when it comes to business and marketing and advertising in general. And that's the power of repetition, consuming powerful and positive messages over and over again, which can essentially brainwash you into seeing things in a better and more effective light. But I digress. Anyway, one of the questions that Seth Godin asks in Purple Cow is, hey, did you see that? A simple question, and yet the effects are profound. You see, all too often entrepreneurs fear that just because they're not an over-the-top personality or flashy or crazy or fake or phony like some reality TV star, well, they take the complete opposite approach and end up being far too bland and far too boring, thinking they're going to get by offering a good product or service at a fair price. Sadly, just providing a good product or service at a good price is no longer enough to succeed. Why? Well, because that's exactly what every single other entrepreneur out there is doing. And it's boring, it's vanilla, and it gets lost in the noise. What you want instead is for people to say, hey, did you see that? That's remarkable. That's Purple Cow, and that's pure marketing gold. Give them something to talk about.